Hello, in this video we're going to talk about LXI instruction. So LXI instruction in 8085 is used to load 16-bit data or 16-bit content in register pair. Remember when we used LDAX or STAX with addresses in the register pair? Well, to load that address we used MVI, right? But we can do the same using LXI too. Suppose, let's say we want to load a certain address 3000H in a register pair BC. Then we write LXI B, 3000H. So what this instruction does is basically loads 30 in register B and 00 in register C. Each of these registers are of 8-bit, and in combination the total data is of 16-bit. So whenever you want to load any 16-bit content, you need to use LXI, and we can only load 16-bit content in register pairs. The available pairs are DE, BC and HL. Suppose, say I want to load a data 1234H directly in my processor. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write LXI, use any one of these register pair, let's say H, and then I'm going to provide my data. So what this will do is, in HL register the value 12 is going to go to H, and then the value 34 is going to go to L. So in combination we can consider this as a 16-bit content.